Hey guys, welcome to the ultimate beginner's guide to conquer the stock market inspired by none other than the legendary Warren Buffett. So guys, now in next 5 minutes, we will actually unlock the secrets to investing success that even Buffett would approve of. अब इस 5 मिनट के क्रैश कोर्स में आप सीखेंगे the basics of investing and how to apply Buffett's principle to your own portfolio. So let's dive in. The first tip is to start with the basics. That means कि इससे पहले कि आप मार्केट में कूद पड़ो इन्वेस्टमेंट करने के लिए, you should actually understand the basics. You should try and learn about the stocks, how they work, and what are the different types of investments available. For example, you can invest directly into the equity shares, mutual funds, SIPs, or ETFs. Right? So always remember that a solid foundation is key to anything, not just the investing. The second tip is to invest in what you really understand. Actually में वॉरेन बफेट यही कहते हैं that you should invest in what you know. So stick to the companies and the industries that you really understand. So if you cannot explain it simply, you probably should not be investing in it. That means before investing, you should actually spend a lot of time doing the research to understand the industry outlook, and उस industries के key players. Then you should try to identify कि आप उस industry में से कौन सी companies में invest करने के लिए interested हो. And then you should try to understand वो company, उस company का products and services, their competitive advantage, and how they are different from the other key players of that industry. And of course, it's a fast-changing world today. So क्या वो company new products और innovative products ला रही है? क्या वो company technologically advanced है या नहीं? This also we should try to understand before investing. Now, before moving ahead, don't forget to like the video. And अगर आप channel पे नए हो, then please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Tip number 3 is to look for the quality companies. That means focus on the companies with the strong fundamentals. Like they should have the consistent earnings, good top line as well as the bottom line, low debt, etc. Look for the competitive advantages, like if they are having any unique product or services that set them apart from the competition. So to understand the fundamentals of the company, you actually need to hear their earning calls and study their financial statements. Now coming to the tip number 4, that is, patience is the key. So Buffett's philosophy actually revolves around the long-term investing. So you should not caught up with the short-term fluctuations. Stay patient and let your investments grow over the time. And जब आपने इतनी रिसर्च की ही है and आपको इंडस्ट्री और कंपनी के बारे में अब इतनी नॉलेज हो ही गई है, then you should actually trust your research and you should not fear from the short-term fluctuations. Now coming to the last but not the least important tip that says be greedy when others are fearful. Buffett's famous quotes reminds us to be brave when others are fearful. Market downturns can actually present a great buying opportunities. And actual में इसे हमने practically देखा भी है, right? So when COVID came in, market sentiments were very down. Everybody was having fear कि पता नहीं हम इस COVID time से कभी निकल भी पाएंगे या नहीं. And इसी वजह से stock market just went down and down and down. But उस समय पे जिसने भी invest किया, within an year or even before that, they have been able to double their money. And probably उनमें से कुछ investments तो आज की डेट में 3-4 गुना भी हो चुकी हैं. So stay calm, do your research and seize the opportunity. So guys, now let's conclude our discussion with the Buffett's golden rule. Buy wonderful companies at fair prices. This means focusing on the quality of companies you invest in rather than trying to time the market. गाइस आप कमेंट में मुझे ये ज़रूर बताइएगा कि आप इनमें से कितनी टिप्स को ऑलरेडी फॉलो कर रहे हो। एंड देयर यू हैव इट, your crash course in stock market investing inspired by the wisdom of Warren Buffett. Remember to start small, stay disciplined, and keep learning. With the time and patience, you too can be the successful investor and a billionaire someday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And thanks for watching.